Welcome to Devices Setup, and today we will learn how to backup and restore the configuration settings on your TP-Link Wi-Fi extender. So this method works for all TP-Link Wi-Fi extender models. So it is recommended to backup your extender settings before making any changes on it, like before firmware update, before changing password, or before changing its SSID, etc. Also, we will learn how to restore that backup later. To start with, first connect your phone or computer to the TP-Link extender SSID showing up in your Wi-Fi list. Now I assume you have already set up the TP-Link extender. If not, then you can watch our videos on how to do it. Once connected, open a browser and into the URL or address bar type tplinkrepeater.net. This will take you to the extender's login page. If it doesn't, then watch our videos on how to log into TP-Link extender. On the login page, use your TP-Link ID and password that you used during setup of the device. Once logged in, tap on Settings, then System Tools, and then tap on Backup and Restore. Then simply click on Backup option, and then it will save a .bin file on your local system. Now, if in future you want to restore these settings to your extender, then simply follow the same steps to log in into the extender, and then go to Backup and Restore page, and then click on Browse option. Next, select that .bin file that you have downloaded and then click on Restore. So this will save the backup file configuration onto your extender again. Finally, if you found this video useful, then please do like and subscribe to support my channel. Also, you guys can hire me for any technical issues related to routers, extenders, printers, cameras, or any other Wi-Fi devices. So you simply need to email me on fixallissues07@gmail.com. Don't forget to mention your issue and I will fix it for you on nominal charges. So see you guys in the next video. Until then, have a blessed day.